going to get a septic truck that broke the driveline. We'll go down the freeway, and this is where the shitty situation joke comes in. So we're gonna go see what kind of mess we're getting into. Okay, I got backed into it here, threw some cones out, and it's a little truck, so we're gonna have to block up to get under it. Also got the wheels chalked. Blue strobe lights, the only strobe lights that have any effect on drivers as far as slowing them down, because nobody cares about hitting someone on the side of the road, but everybody's worried about getting a ticket. So let's get this folded down, and we'll stick under, lift just by the axle, put it on blocks, and then put our forks on. Okay, let's send this out here. We're just gonna get under that axle, which it should just barely fit. There we go. Now the wheels are chalked in the back, so I can lift it up. Just go high enough to stick these blocks. Now we can set it down. Pull this back in, we'll set some forks on it and pick it up. Okay, you go here, you go here. Do I want to flip those? I might. Let's see how much room we have. I don't want it to bounce and crack the radiator, so I might flip those for more clearance. Okay. Probably the safer thing to do. It doesn't matter which way you have these receivers, it will be the wrong way for the next job you have to do. It's just how towing works. Okay. Other side. Go there. Truck coming. Get that in there. Get that in there. Right there. Get over here. Okay, we got it. Level out the bar. It is ours. So I had to tie up the shaft, but it's already broken free. I looked at it, so I don't need anything except for a cable tie. We'll look at my rear clearance. See, I can't lift it that high because I'm going to hit the back. But I have it lifted high right now, so I can get under and do this quickly. This is the worst part of the whole job. Okay, it's out of the way enough. Throw some quick tie downs on this. Okay, no traffic, plenty of time. Throw this one on. There's a tie rod right behind the axle. I want to make sure I don't go around that too. Grab my block. My other block. So, in a previous video, I called out the people who called me out for using bungees. They don't know what they're talking about, being jackasses making comments. That was directed 100% at the, that's the same company, okay. There. Thank you. At the people who gave mean comments about using bungees, saying that's what you deserve, all that stuff. The people went like, oh, I saw bungees, I was kind of concerned about that. Not directed towards you at all. You guys are cool. It's the ones who are being assholes about it. It's okay to not know that that is the industry standard and how those light bars are designed to be secured. That's fine. But the ones who were the a-holes about it, that's who I was calling out. Because one thing I love doing is being an asshole to assholes. I don't think many of you realize this, but that is fun for me. Get the wheel chocks out. Oh, I'm parked on that one. Oh well. I can bring it in now. Then get that wheel chock all the way in. Out just enough to turn. That last wheel chock. Let's grab us some leaf spring. Right around the sway bar too, why not? Clear. Okay, we're going to dip our front end down a bit. Actually, we'll tilt down a bit just to make sure we got clearance on the back end. Good enough. Let's pick up our cones and our lights and get out of here. This traffic pass, they're slowing down. Whew. Okay. Let's get out of here. I'm super hot now, like sweaty hot. Okay, PTO off. Anything else can stay on. Okay. Okay. Off we go. I just gotta figure out where to turn this thing around. Alright, about 1.5 miles up the road, we have the scenic viewpoint, which I can use as a scenic turnaround. On this side, you have a view of a hayfield. On that side, you have a view of the fog. But normally that's like the Cascades and looks all super cool and pretty and stuff, but not today. The only thing that matters is we can turn around here. I don't know if you see that stuff on the hood right there, but it's snowing. Like barely, but 'tis snow. Okay, we're here. Let's go get this thing unloaded. Okay, we're here, so I'm gonna get safety chains pulled off, unstrapped, shove this thing back, shock the wheels since it has no park gear anymore. Set it on my blocks and then get it off my blocks. Okay, we got one hook facing in and one hook facing out just to screw with all the people with OCD. Out and blocks. Go away. Still got my light bar. Okay, let's set it down. I got a wheel chock behind it there. And it held, so that's good. Bring these out. Grab my forks. Put my forks away. Now we send this back out. Lifty uppy. Grab the blocks. Set it down. And bring it back. Talk about close. I think I spaced that just about right by accident. Bring the boom back up to transport height so that our heel doesn't get down on the ground there when we're going through dips and such. Put the blocks away. That's it.